friends, Running Kimono here. So if you are headed near a Walgreens, this possibly can be a deal for you. And if you can line it up perfectly, I would absolutely do it to get 2 bags of the KOTEX evening pads completely for free. Look at that receipt on the screen. I didn't even pay tax. And then I got back a $5 register reward. I want to give a very special shout out to couponing with, I think it's GHE or GHE. I'm so sorry if I mispronounced that. I saw her video on Instagram and she explained this, and it's a very good deal. So currently there's a promotion of a $5 register reward when you buy 2 feminine care, and these KOTEX pads are part of it. In store only, they are 2 for $8. And this deal has to be done in store only, guys, because we're working with a register reward. So this is the $2 coupon that has been spotted at beauty counters over at Walgreens. And it's a $2 off a KOTEX pad, tampon, or liner. You get the cashier to scan this once, and it should apply to both of your the bags of pads. Now, to scan something off of a cell phone, if you cannot track this coupon down, 50-50 shot. A lot of cashiers will just refuse that. But I think you guys probably know your stores best. Possibly the easiest way to do this, that if your store has a beauty counter, they should have these books of, it's called End Period Poverty. Help End Period Poverty. That I'll show you the cover. And they're merchandised usually on a table at the beauty counters of Walgreens. So if your store is all decked out with a makeover chair and they're really into selling perfumes and like they have a really big beauty section, you would know that as well. They have this book merchandise probably either near the items or on a table. And that's where I found it, on a table. So hopefully that's clear as mud. And then you would just get the cashier to scan that once. It would apply to both bags of pads. Now we're also going to load this digital coupon. I had a harder time finding it, so I had to go into the subcategories of your digital coupons folder, personal care, and that's where I found it. I just couldn't type in KOTEX and then it would populate. The app's been really not so great this week. So just to show you, the 2 bags of pads is $8. I found them on a bottom shelf because they're like a nighttime overnight pad. So they were on a bottom shelf. 2 of them for $8, subtracting your IVC, taking $4 off, that $2 coupon times 2, $4 off, and you only need to scan 1. And then the $4 digital coupon also came off. So I didn't even pay tax, and then I got back a $5 register reward, which is fantastic. If you cannot find the same KOTEX pads as you're going to need to find like a box of tampons and a box of liners, or 2 boxes of liners. Make sure you're $8 or more, because you're playing with $8 in digital coupons. So to get the math to balance, it has to be $8 or more. And just to show you, this is what printed out for me, and I'm very grateful to have it. It's $5 off of a feminine care product, and it's valid till the 6th. Now, I know a lot of you were saying weeks ago that you could use this on anything, but if you have a cashier that looks at this and you're trying to buy a bottle of Tide, you might get in a lot of trouble. So I would just use it on feminine care, and this stuff is so expensive. It's a great, great coupon to have. Now, yesterday in my curbside video, I was talking about IBOTTA and CoverGirl and all that magic. And a lot of you were telling me like, hey, Rach, none of this stuff is attaching with IBOTTA. And I was in the store yesterday, and you guys are right. But here's the thing. We have this $3 off digital coupon, and there's one also on Shopmium. This makeup is bringing up BOGO 50% off. If you could find a couple shadows, mascaras, whatever, really cheap, I would stock up. Even with the digital coupon, if it doesn't work for IBOTTA, who cares? Because this is what's around the corner. $21.99 for a little bit of foundation, $14.49 for 1 mascara. Like, are we at Sephora? Did I miss something? Oh, the manufacturer is like tripling the price of makeup. So this is a new little thing that we get to look forward to end of summer, probably for the rest of our lifetime. These are outrageous prices for makeup. I've never seen it, like, unless it's like, you know, Charlotte Tilbury or something really expensive. Like, I don't have words. So if you can pair that clearance makeup with digital coupons, submit to Shopmium, whatever. Hopefully you have a nice little stockpile if you like makeup. this stuff is going to get really expensive quickly. Even with Ibotta, I would still grab stuff. I noticed at Walmart and a couple other stores, lots of this makeup was on the clearance section, and I'm like, why? Oh, that's why. Make these deals happen, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.